Hi everyone, it's Rosalie here from Rosalie Yoga, where I help you accelerate your personal and spiritual growth through Yoga Nidra and Astral projection. Today I want to share a tool with you that's been helping me and my students in the Astral Travel Blueprint. And if you're an aspiring Astral Traveler, I think you're going to love it too. The app is called Elsewhere and is designed to help you record, track, and interpret your dreams. It provides amazing insights which can really enhance your dream life and your astral projection practice. Now, I do want to mention that this video is not sponsored by Elsewhere. I just genuinely love the app and I found it made such a big difference in my practice that I wanted to share it with my students in the Astral Travel Blueprints, and I want to share it with all of you guys who practice with me here on YouTube. Now, if you watch some videos on my channel, you will probably have heard me talk about the importance of keeping a dream journal. It's a foundational practice that really sets you up for success in astral projection. But why is it so important? Well, that's what I'm going to cover very briefly. We're going to go through the top 3 reasons why it's so important to keep a dream journal before I dive into all the features of the Elsewhere app and how that can help you. Well, first, writing down or recording your dreams really helps you remember them. The more you write, the more you record, the more you're going to start to remember. It just sends this really strong signal to your subconscious mind that dreams are important to you. You want to remember them, and you start to remember all of those little details that you might otherwise have missed. And really, ultimately, what you're doing is that you're increasing that thread of awareness from your dream life into your waking life. You're drawing it into your waking life. And I really see this as a muscle. We go to the gym to build our muscles. This is what you're doing as well by writing down your dreams. You're building that muscle of dream recall, and you're strengthening, carrying that thread of awareness from your dream life into your waking life. The second reason keeping a dream journal is so important is because it helps you start to recognize what your dream signs are. Those things that you dream about time and time again. It could be a particular thing. It could be a recurring theme that comes up often. Once you know what your dream sign is, you can use it to help trigger lucidity in a dream. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that later on. But once you can wake up in your dream, when you say, hey, I'm dreaming, and you become lucid in a dream, you can use that as a launch pad to have an out-of-body experience. The third reason it's important to keep a dream journal is that dreams can reveal those deeply embedded subconscious thoughts and limiting beliefs that we might hold. Those things that are really buried in the deepest layers of ourselves that we don't have access to in our waking conscious life. Those things are revealed to us in our dreams. And when we write or record a dream, it really brings it into the light of awareness. Then you're really more aware of any blocks, any patterns that you might need to kind of work through in order to progress on your spiritual path. And ultimately for me, spiritual growth is the main benefit of out-of-body experiences. So all of this will really help accelerate your spiritual growth. So how does the Elsewhere app fit into all of this? Well, the app makes recording and interpreting your dreams really easy and deeply insightful. It's powered by AI, and it offers some really unique ways of logging our dreams. And that's what I love about the app, because it really helps you make keeping a dream journal a habit. And of course, it offers all these amazing insights into your dream life. So let's dive into my favorite features of the Elsewhere app. Number 1, ask your dreams anything. I love this feature. You can ask your dreams a question and you will receive an answer. And of course, the more dreams that you have recorded in the app, the more meaningful that answer will be. So I recently asked my dreams to tell me something about myself that I might not know. The answer honestly just blew me away. It was so incredibly insightful, and it's like it really knew me. And it actually did, because it knows those deeper parts of myself. It was amazing. Number 2, dream interpretation. And for me, this is really where the app shines. I have received such incredible insights from this dream interpretation feature. And not just me, some of my students as well. I had one student actually tell me that she wakes up in the middle of the night, if she wakes up after a dream, records it, and then gets the interpretation because she's excited to see what the dream has told her. And what's really cool is that the app offers various interpretation styles. So you'll see in the app you have different styles to choose from: Carl Jung, Freudian, spiritual, AI, biblical, and others. Now my favorite is a Jungian approach. Number 3, tracking symbols. So the app helps you track these reoccurring symbols or dream signs that come up for you time and time again in your dreams. And as I mentioned before, once you know what your dream sign is, you can use it to help you wake up, to become lucid in your dream, and use that as a launch pad to an out-of-body experience. So for example, from the app, I know that a reoccurring symbol for me is a house. It's the thing actually that I dream the most about. I'm in many, many houses, different houses throughout my dreams. So I'm programming myself in my waking life to become lucid when I dream of a house. And you do that using an affirmation. So I say, the next time that I dream of a house, I will know I'm dreaming and become lucid. Now I do this in my waking life. I program myself in my waking life so that, and this is just as I drift off to sleep, so that when I start to dream and I'm in a house, that becomes a kind of trigger for me to wake up in the dream. And then there are different ways of converting that lucid dream into an out-of-body experience. Number 4, symbol insights. So along with tracking symbols, the Elsewhere app offers insights about each one. So for instance, it really helped me reflect on what it means that I dream about houses so often. Now these insights, of course, can lead to personal breakthroughs and kind of aha moments, and deepen your understanding of why things keep coming up for you in your dreams. It really can reveal these hidden messages you might not otherwise have access to. So number 5, cover photos. Now each dream entry in the app gets its very own cover photo, and you can customize the style. There's lots of styles that you can choose from. Now this is a small touch, but I love it because it really helps bring that dream to life visually. Number 6, scanning feature. So if you're like me and you like to keep a physical dream diary, so actually writing them down with a pen and paper, the app gives you the ability to scan that page and then upload it as text to the app. And of course, you want to be able to upload it so that you can get the dream interpretation, you can ask your dream questions, it can help you recognize those dream signals, all of those things that we've talked about. So when you write it down and then you can scan it, go straight to the app as written text. And for me, there's just something really incredibly powerful about writing the dreams down. Just the act of writing, that making that connection, really helps me remember a lot of those little details that I might not otherwise remember. And I have to say, I'm absolutely amazed that the app is able to read my super messy morning writing, because when I write my dreams in the morning, I've just literally sat up. My eyes might be half closed. It is super, super messy. The app can read with a really astonishing degree of accuracy what I've written down. If you're like me and you like to keep a physical dream diary, I'm going to have some really exciting news that I'm sharing very soon. So watch this space. Number 7, the app works with voice to text. So if you don't want to write down your dreams and then scan them to the app, or write them out like this manually onto your phone, it does work with voice to text. And she showed me this device where it would attract spirits. And I do find this to be really helpful at times as well, when I'm in a rush or if I've just remembered something and I want to quickly write it down. The cost. The best bit about Elsewhere is that it's actually free. There are limits on the free version on how many interpretations and insights you get, but it really does give you a taste of what's possible. There's also a premium version and a supporter version that gives you even more data and insights, and once you get a taste for it, you really want more and more. Students on my course on the Astral Travel Blueprint do get to try the premium version, because for me, it was really that valuable in my own practice that I wanted my students to have access to this too. Now, using the Elsewhere app is really like having a digital dream coach that helps you interpret, track, and gain insights from your dreams in a really easy, engaging, and fun way. You'll find yourself really wanting to record your dreams because you want to know what your dreams are revealing to you. It's been such an incredible addition to my own practice and to those of my students, and I really hope it is for you too. If you have any questions about Elsewhere, please drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like to know more about my course, The Astral Travel Blueprint, leave me a comment as well. I'll be sharing more updates about that in the coming weeks. And as always, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. It really does help support my channel. Thank you so much for watching today. I've loved spending this time with you, connecting with you in this way. And I'll see you in the next video. And if you'd like me to make more videos about the different tools and apps and props that I use in my practice, then let me know as well. It's really useful for me to know if these kind of videos resonate with you. So let me know that in the comments too. See you soon.